CBDC, crypto, blockchain, terms we've heard so much over the past year, but what are they all about? Now that the Reserve Bank of India has launched a digital rupee here in India in its pilot phase, of course, for wholesale purposes, retail will follow very soon. What is a digital rupee? Is it similar or different from any form of crypto that runs on the blockchain? How is it different? And how will it make your life a whole lot easier? Nabila brings you this Payments 101.
Well, it was almost 9 months ago that Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman first spoke about the digital rupee in the Parliament while introducing the budget. And earlier this week, the e-rupee became a reality as the government finally launched this pilot project. The Reserve Bank of India kick-started testing of the e-rupee. It's being tested with 9 major banks for transactions in government securities. So the current trial is for wholesale purposes, but there will be another phase for retail transactions for people like you and me who can buy stuff using this digital rupee, which will be launched very, very soon. So first things first, let's try and understand what exactly is a digital rupee and how it's different from a cryptocurrency. The digital rupee will be in a virtual form, just like any other cryptocurrencies, but the digital rupee will not be decentralized and will be backed by the government. In fact, the digital rupee will make it easier for authorities to track their transactions that happens within authorized networks. At first, it may seem very similar to the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency, but it's totally different as a concept. It uses the same technology, yes, which is blockchain, but it will not trade like the cryptocurrency. The value of the CBDC token, which is a central bank digital currency, will be the same as the Indian rupee. That means 1 unit of digital currency is equal to 1 rupee. Now, one may wonder how this is going to be different from Paytm, Google Pay or other UPI apps. Well, it is different because any transaction made using the digital rupee will just be confined to the payer and the payee, just like any other cash transactions, unlike UPI transactions which involve a third party. The RBI is also working towards ensuring that digital rupee can be used without the internet, whereas an internet connection is usually the basic requirement for using any third-party apps like Google Pay and Paytm. So yes, it is very different from the existing concepts in the payments world. Another advantage here of this digital currency is that they don't get torn, physically damaged or lost like paper currency. Certainly the payments world is now changing yet again. What would you prefer though? Digital rupee or regular UPI apps like your Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm or cards? Or do you still think cash is king? Do let us know on our socials and of course stay tuned to Tech Today for more on India's payments revolution.